Hello, farm lovers, farm owners in the house. Today's episode is going to be about urban backyard farming. And as you can see here, we are in Maraba and we are going to be exploring a beautiful urban backyard farm here in Maraba. In case you don't know about Maraba, Maraba is one of the outskirts, satellite populated town in Abuja. And I came around across this backyard farm here, and the man is doing a very, very fantastic work. So, if you are somebody who has been contemplating on how you want to make the best use of a plot of land in your backyard or in your compound, at least to produce some fresh vegetable, to produce some crop for yourself, this is one of a fantastic video you have to watch to the end. I'm going to be showing you around the wonderful work the man has been doing, and at least for you to get motivated. And also, we'll be speaking to him, and he'll be talking to us about the benefits, the advantage of it, how it gets started, and how it's going. I'm here with our daddy. He's the one doing the fantastic work. The compound has a plot of land, and he's making judicious use of the place to grow some crop, vegetables, and some other thing, at least for the family. So he'll be talking to us how he started, what motivated him, and things like that. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. You're welcome.
You're welcome, sir.
Okay, thank
So
you.
we saw you are doing fantastic. You are growing crop instead of using it to for playing football. You are engaging the land. So what prompted you? What motivated you to start?
What motivated me to do this work is because right from when I was together with my dad, he had been a good farmer. So when I have the opportunity to have a land like this, then I decided that since I have not built it, I should not leave it bushy or children be playing there. So for me to plant there, it will help me to feed my family more. So as you can see, I planted my maize. I have my maize inside.
Okay.
I have my cassava inside.
Yeah.
I have my okra inside.
Okra.
Many
Yeah.
vegetable.
Yeah.
You can even see the small pepper we are
Yeah.
putting in
Yeah.
place.
Yeah. So
So
the family is having access to fresh, not something that has stayed long in the market. If you
yes,
need vegetable, you need things like that.
all those things we have them here. Even the ugu leaf we have them. Bitter leaf leaves we have them.
Nice.
They are all inside the farm.
Nice.
So we are more of the area I come from. We are more of a mixed cropping.
Okay. From which state, sir?
I'm from Enugu State.
Okay. Good. 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 So you've been doing this for a while now. Like how many?
I think this is barely 4 years now. I've
Okay.
been doing it.
So though it is small. How can you say as in being as in productive with the effort you are putting into it? At least you hire people to come and do the ridges for you. Yeah, you you have people to come and do the weeding. The money you are spending, is it something that is at least encouraging?
Well, if not because of the high cost of things these days, I think I've been doing those working for me have been doing it at a cheaper rate. But now everything has gone up.
Yeah.
I have to pay a lot. But then I still insist that I must do,
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
I do it on a yearly basis because I don't have a where to shift and convert here this year and convert the other side the other year.
Mm-hmm.
So I repeat it every year. So that's why it takes me a lot of money because I must treat the land
Yeah.
by applying my local foul waste.
Okay.
And at times I spot it with normal fertilizer.
Fertilizer.
Yes. And we also apply what is it called? The pesticide
Okay.
that always eat off the corn.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
challenges I'm facing now is that most of the cassava I plant here, when we get to the dry season, there's something like a cotton will just come and wrap it up, and it will not, it will cease from growing.
Okay.
You just see it as if it's shrinking, going back, going back. But once rain start falling now, you see everything will just boom off. So I don't know the exactly chemical to use
Okay.
on that.
I will look at that. So, sir, uh, like last year, I saw you did cassava here.
Yes.
So, the place, I want to know if it's only for food consumption or you consume at home and the rest you take to the market.
It's not even enough for me and my family.
Yeah.
So what I'm planting here is not enough for me and my
But the
family.
thing the thing is that the one
I'm
you are using
harvesting.
at home,
Yes,
hadn't been you didn't have it in your compound, you go to the market and buy.
of course.
So it's saving them
It's save
some money.
cost. It's save cost, but I spend money to
Yeah,
get them.
to create it. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah. So what advice can you give to people, at least people who have a plot of land in their compound, uh wasting away, and they are always complaining food is very cost, vegetable is very cost in the market and things like that.
So all I have to tell the my fellow Nigerians is that all I have to tell my fellow Nigerians is that if you are being opportune to have any small place to plant anything, please try and do it. It will help. It will go a very long way because if you have, even if it's common vegetable you have, you get your vegetable without paying kobo,
Yes.
without paying transport, and at least it must save you up to 100 naira a day. Because even with the cost of things now, 100 naira vegetable cannot do a family to go.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
So if you have it, you enjoy it more and you get it the quantity you want.
Yeah, fresh.
Yes,
And one thing is that you'll be sure of what you are hitting,
yes.
because you know
Where you plant it and
where you plant it.
you know how you treat it.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much, and we really appreciate for giving us this opportunity to come and talk to you, and also see your farm. You are really, really doing, and it's something that motivates me when I see people utilizing the little resources available. Because this place, I didn't mean you are not putting anything. Every 3 months, I'm sure you will hire somebody that will come here to come and cut the grass.
That is it.
You hire somebody, and this kind of thing, if you leave it bushy, it will even invite snakes and all this kind of thing if you are not putting something on it. So thank you for what you are doing, and I think this will be a kind of motivation to people watching at home. If you have something like this at home, you have a small piece of land, this is something you can do. You can plant corn, you can plant okra, pepper, and every other thing. Even if you are not selling, it will save you some money at the home front. Thank you for your time, and see you on the next one. I think I've been able to motivate somebody out there with this. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you for coming.